Picture a single company that owns an entire market. It's a monopoly, and life is good. It alone decides how much to make, and it names the price. Now, a second company shows up selling the exact same thing. Suddenly, neither one is in charge. Here's the twist that changes everything. The price no longer depends on one firm's output. It depends on the total firm one's quantity plus firm two's added together. That's the whole market supply, and it's what the buyers react to. More supply, lower price. So each firm's profit is that shared price times its own quantity minus its own cost. Two profit equations. But look, they're tangled together. The price term is the same in both, and it depends on what they both do. And now firm one has a problem. It wants to maximize its own profit, but it doesn't fully control the situation. Its profit leans on X2, whatever the rival decides to make. So, how does it even choose? Here's the trick. Firm 1 pretends, just for a moment, that the rival's quantity is fixed, a known number. With X2 frozen, its profit is a plain function of its own output. And now, it can do the obvious thing. Find the top of that hill. Set the derivative to 0. Setting that derivative to 0 gives firm 1 its best answer for every possible rival move. We call it the reaction function. Read it as, if you make X2, then I should make this much. It's firm 1's best response, written as a rule. And of course, firm 2 isn't sitting still. It plays the exact same game. Mirror image. Freeze firm 1, climb its own profit hill, and out comes its reaction function. Two firms, two best responses. Let's make it concrete. Say the price falls in a straight line as supply grows. A minus B times the total. And costs are simple, just a constant marginal cost per unit. Turn the crank on the calculus, and both reaction functions come out as straight lines. Now for the beautiful part. Put firm 1's quantity on the horizontal axis, firm 2's on the vertical. Each reaction function is now just a line in this plane. Firm 1's best response line, in blue, and firm 2's, in green. And where do these two lines cross? That single point is special. It's the one production pair where firm 1 is already playing its best response to firm 2, and firm 2 is playing its best response to firm 1, both at the same time. That's the Kurnov equilibrium, and it's stable. Start anywhere off the mark and watch. Firm 1 reacts, then firm 2 reacts to that, back and forth, and the whole dance spirals right into the crossing point. Nobody wants to move away. And when both firms are identical, same costs, call it CA. The algebra hands you something wonderfully clean. Each firm makes a minus C over 3B, 2/3 by the pair, split evenly. That's the equilibrium. And here's the payoff for the rest of us. Together, the two firms make more than a lone monopolist ever would. 2/3 of a minus C over B versus a half. More supply pushes the price down. The buyer wins, even though each firm earns less. That's competition in one crossing of two lines. So the next time two rivals stare each other down, remember, the answer isn't one firm winning. It's a quiet, self-consistent standoff, sitting exactly where two best response lines meet. Sometimes, equilibrium is just a good place to cross.